welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna tackle about environmental awareness. Let's go! Ang kalikasan ay nagbibigay sa atin ng mga pagkakataon para sa pag-unlad. Ngunit hindi natin ibinibigay sa kanya ang kailangang pagpapahalaga. Kahit sa simpleng pagtatanim o pamumulot lamang ng basura, ay malaking tulong na ito sa ating kalikasan. They are people who throw their garbage everywhere. They are also people who cut down trees for no good reason that cause landslide and baha. They are people who are not aware of smoke from their car or vehicle that causing air pollution. People, stop that wrong of doing of yours. Change and make nature better. Be a role model to other people. Start promoting environmental awareness, like separating non-biodegradable and biodegradable waste. So advocate them to plant more trees so that we can smell or inhale fresh air and prevent flash flood, typhoons, and other calamities. And the most important is to educate your parents, siblings, and friends to prevent future destructions of the environment. Teach them 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle.
Lakad namina apang magmisid ese palagid. Habang naglalakad ako pinagmamasdan. Ko angi palagidat. Walatalada kahit anong basurao. Kalit ese palagid. Iangi linis talada kahit saan ka tumingin. Hindi lang may disipline angi emga daw dito mababait din.
As you can see guys, wala talagang basura dito. Tignan nyo. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, wala kayong makikitang basura dito. Masyado kasi nagmamalinis yung mga taga-Kalamag. Ay, di joke lang. Sumusunod lang po sila sa patakaran. And kanya-kanyang linis din po. Para masaya. Para walang kalat. Ganun dapat, guys. Okay? Dapat, guys, kung gaano ka kaganda, ganun din kaganda at kalinis ang paligid mo. Hindi yung maganda ka lang pero dugyot ka naman. De joke. Masarap huminga pag sariwang hangin ang iyong nalalanghap. Magtanim upang ating langhapin ang sariwang hangin. Trees are the natural air fillers. They provide, in essence, the life to us by refraining the air around us. They play an important role in our life. The trees are the precious asset of life. They add beauty to our environment. The green trees are the assets of this Mother Earth. Saving trees is a saving life. Saving our country and our Mother Earth. Save the life, save the nature. Look after the land will look after you. Destroy the land and it will destroy you. Hey guys, thank you for watching.